Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a very delicious beef wet fry, and it's going to be the best ever if you try out the recipe. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. Yeah, and also if you like watching my videos, don't forget to give my videos a thumbs up or a like. Yeah. Yeah, so here I have some meat, onions, garlic, bell pepper, tomatoes, black pepper and salt, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Today there are so many hands. I'm excited. So here I have a pan which is already getting hot, and I've added oil on medium heat. To this I'm going to add onions, then I'm going to stir, cook until soft. So in today's recipe, I'm going to brown my onions a little bit. So you watch over your onions so that they don't burn. Also, you can follow me at Instagram, Infoods_special, and you'll get amazing recipes over there, and also stories, reels, and I know you'll enjoy the contents. So go over there and follow me. And also I'm in TikTok Tukoko. We are making content everywhere and trying to make you make amazing recipes at home. So my onions are browning. To this I'm going to add crushed garlic and ginger. I am using 3 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger, which I've grated. You can use your mortar and pestle also to crush the garlic and ginger. There are a lot of options. And I love how garlic and ginger smells, or I love how it turns the kitchen into a very nice smell. Yeah. Sometimes I'm usually excited about small things. Small things like garlic and ginger cooking. So here I have my diced or cubed meat. I'm going to add this in my pan. Stir. Make sure all the meat is coated with the garlic and ginger. I'll let the meat cook for about 2 minutes, and at this point I'm going to reduce the heat to medium because I don't want to burn my onions. So I'm going to flip my meat. I was just trying to add a brown color to my meat, as in I was just trying to sear my meat. This is how it's looking, and it's smelling awesome. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. Just to submerge my meat, and then I'm going to let it boil on medium flame until tender. So as it boils, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 beef stock cube. I'm not going to add it in any water. I'm just going to add it straight in the pan. Then I'm going to stir in the spices and let this cook for 30 to 1 hour. So if you notice that your meat is drying out, you can add more water, or if you notice that it is not tender, you can add water so that it can be tender. Yeah. So this is how my meat is looking after boiling for around 30 to 1 hour. And as you can see, the gravy is amazing. Even at this point, you can enjoy it with your rice. This is very nice. The gravy is very delicious. And also my meat is very tender. So I'm going to add my blended tomatoes. In my tomatoes, I've added green, red, and yellow capsicum. So this is going to add even more yumminess. So at this point, my gravy has reduced, and as you can see, it's very thick. And let me tell you, I can't wait for the ugali to get ready. So I'm going to add green pepper, then stir in the green pepper and cook for about 1 minute. Have you ever wondered when your side dish is going to get ready? That is me right now, because this dish is looking absolutely amazing, and the aroma, oh my god. And as you can see, it's so good. I can't wait for my ugali to get ready. So I hope you try out this recipe and make for your family this amazing beef wet fry. Catch you on my next episode. Bye.